Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you everything relating to the Raise Animals update, the latest working codes, how to get the mana crystals and what they are used for. So the update adds new items, new animals and a new way to progress faster. So let's start with the new code. First of all, you need to open your game on Roblox. Then you need to go to the settings icon. There you need to enter the latest update codes. So these codes are going to give you the spins, rubies, and sometimes the mana fragment depending on the event. So make sure that you type them exactly as shown in the game because Raise Animals code are case sensitive. The next thing here is how to get mana crystals. So you need 4 mana fragments to craft 1 crystal. Mana fragments drop during a new crystal fall event inside the Everdown biome. So when the portal to the Everdown opens, you need to go inside the farm, the glowing crystal nodes and collecting the fragments from the event mobs. So once you have 4, you need to go to the fancy shop inside the Everdown and trade them for a mana crystal. Now mana crystal unblock exclusive animals like Kirin, the Kitsune and other new fantasy pets. So each of these crystals give you the random exclusive and you can stack as many crystals as you want to roll for the rarest ones. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.